Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, simply right click on this icon, then select settings, then from system tab just scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters, then from playing audio section we need to click on run. It will try to detect the problems related to this error and also try to resolve it. Once done, we need to click on and simply, if you get this tab, simply uncheck this, disable all enhancements, then click on apply and then OK. Now close this window and simply move to the next step. Go to search bar and simply type device manager. Then from the search results, click here to open it. It will open device manager window. Then expand sound, video and game controller. Right click on it and select properties. Then go to drivers tab and select update drivers. Then click here. The best drivers will be installed, and then close all windows one by one and move to the next step. Again go to search bar and type control panel, then click here to open it. Now from view by section, select large icons, then just scroll down and search for sound. Simply scroll down and click on sound. Now on this tab we need to disable or enable the speakers one time. After that, select it and click on properties, then go to levels tab and set it up to 100. Then go to enhancements, check this box, click on apply and then OK. Select OK. If you're still facing any issue related to this problem, you can send me here screenshot and details of the error message. Then personally I will help you, or I will create a specific video on this error. So simply fill all the information and then click on submit. That's it guys, you're good to go.